Well, we just pulled it out of the press. It's all glued together. This is what it's going to look like when we start cutting it out. As you can tell, the wood is pretty cool. It's going to turn out awesome once we get it all sanded up and polished and everything. There's the thickness of it. It's about 6 inches thick. This is going to be the back of it. It's the same wood. I probably shouldn't do that. But it's going to turn out cool. Well, we're in about an hour or so on the bandsaw. We got everything cut out, and here's how I did it. First we cut down the bottom half to make it smooth so it'll sit flat. And then we cut out the bottom hump. Then I came up here and cut that out. Then I came all the way along the top here, all the way around, and cut that out. So now we have the rough shape of your box. So next we'll go in and draw. Oh, more time on the bandsaw. We cut out the drawers. Came in here and cut all the way across up to here, then backed out. Then came in and cut this guy, and then backed out. And came in and cut this guy, backed out, and then cut the last one and backed out. And this is what we got. This is going to be the front. And here's a drawer. Drawer 1. Drawer 2. It's pretty cool. Next step is we're going to glue the back on here that we cut off, so the drawers don't go all the way through. And then next is we're going to cut out in the mill right there your actual drawer parts. And I'll give you an update when we're done with that. Well, after some time spent on the mill, we got your drawers cut out. There's bottom drawer, and here's top drawer. And also been doing some sanding. It's all smooth now. It's turning out pretty cool so far. Gotta get back to sanding. Well, we got your box done. Got it all stained up. It's a fruit wood stain. Turned out pretty good. Here's the back of it. My favorite's the top, how all these grains go whoop, whoop, and this little spot right here. And we got the handles on it. It's the oak wood, Peruvian walnut. There's your top drawer all done. Felt in it. There's your bottom drawer. Felt in it. And it is without the drawers. If you look at the very bottom, it's kind of hard to see. But it says my symbol, made for Lord Ashley Rouge, right there. Yep, we stained it and put like 4 coats of clear coat on it so it'll last forever. We painted it on and let it dry overnight. And if you notice, we put some dowel pins down here, so it just makes it stronger so it'll last forever too. So hopefully you can keep it for a long time. I am about ready to get dressed and to come pick you up here in about an hour. So I will see you soon.